Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in textures on your videos in CapCut PC. So you do have two options. You can add in the texture yourself, so like download a picture of like a textured paper or plastic. Then you can go back to basic and select like an overlay mode or whichever mode works best for your video. Have some options to choose from. So there's this one, and you can also use texture from the app itself. So go to effects, go to video effects, and you are going to select texture. And here, as you can see, there will be a bunch of textures that you can choose from. There's like glass, some of it is like paper, like these folds. There's this one, there's like a painting one as well, and there's also like a plastic one. But yeah, just choose which one you want, and that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!